It's magnetic and it's catching on my earring. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kira, and today we're going to be doing a review on the new Colourpop No Filter Stick Foundation. So I actually had to order everything online. I didn't know exactly my colors, so I went ahead and ordered two. And I played with them last night to see which one was my color, and I'm actually both of these mixed together, which is really funny because I got both of them. One is too dark, one is my summer color, and one is really, really light, which is like my winter color. But for right now, the transition is both of them mixed together. And then I got one thinking that it was okay for contour because it was a cool, dark tone. And on me, it looks like a bronzer. So what I'm going to do is use it as a bronzer today and then just use a cream contour. We're just doing everything cream. So I'm going to go ahead and apply these. I am applying one side with a brush, and my brush is the Mia Clarisonic brush. So this is my brush for that side. And then the other side is going to be with a extremely dirty beauty sponge that I cleaned like 50 times, and this stain won't come out. Suggestions? Anyways, I'm going to do a full wear test on this and then come back later tonight. I actually have school Monday through Thursdays, so I will probably be getting home around, I'll probably be in and taking my makeup off around 10:30 at night. So right now it is 1, so I should have this on for quite a while. A little bit about these. They are 0.34 ounces, and I can show you exactly how much I used today, which was not a lot, and how much is actually left. So you can see, well, that it looks really dark. Okay. So you can see there is quite a bit here that you get. They are $10. Oh my gosh, $10. And with all those codes out there, you can save 20% on one of them if you buy them, or I think it's 20% off of your entire order. Whatever, I don't have a code, so sorry. And then there is 30 shades. It's supposed to be a weightless skin-like finish that is medium to buildable coverage. But let's go ahead and put it on. You guys can see how it looks on my skin, and I am going to be setting it with a powder that I always set with, just so I know that if it doesn't stand up to time or, you know, break away, it's not because of the powder, because the powder I know works. I use it all the time. And it's the Maybelline Fit Me powder, and I'm in the color Fair. So I know that this powder works. I use it all the time. But yeah, let's do this. Oh, and just so you guys know, the light colors that I got is Light 50W and Fair 25W. So they're both the warm tones because my skin has kind of this yellowy tone to it. So I think these work well. I look ridiculous. Alright, so we are going to do the brush on this side and the sponge on this side. I'm going to start with the brush. Alright, so that is the brush side, and now I'm going to do the sponge side. So I have that on. It is a little pale. Actually, I probably could have gone a little bit more with that like warmer tone, the 50W. Since we're doing the Colourpop brand, I'm gonna go ahead and use their concealer as well, just because they're probably formulated to work together correctly. And I mean, as you can see, I love this concealer, so I already know that this concealer works. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this concealer on, and then I'm gonna prime my eyes, and I'll be right back. Alright, so I have not powdered yet. I did prime my eye though, and I lightly set my under eye concealer, and now I'm going to actually use this dark 177C, which I bought as the contour, and it is very warm. So I'm just going to warm up my face with this, and it's just easier to go around with this brush, and I found that the brush sides smoothed out a lot easier than the sponge side. So with this foundation, I will be using the brush from now on. So I am going to warm up the outside of my face, and then I'm going to contour. So let's see how this works. Oh my goodness. How is that cool? It's so warm. Okay. Alright, well, I mean, we're already here. This is not contour, so I'm just kind of, oh my. Oh, this is probably just gonna get out of control real fast. Okay. I mean, oh no. So, there's bronzed. Actually, I think it looks pretty, so I take that back. And there's not bronzed. So that color, I guess, works well as a bronzer. Just kidding. I like it. It's beautiful. Now I just need to get an actual contour color. I have not put highlight yet on my face, but I'm going to go ahead and add contour. And to add the contour, since that wasn't my contour shade whatsoever, I'm going to use the Tarteist Pro Glow, and I'm going to be using their cream contour shade. Woo. I'm having so many difficulties today. It's magnetic and it's catching on my earring. So now my contour is a little bit more contoury looking. There we go. Okay. Alright, so I am going to powder this, and then I'm going to go ahead and apply the rest of my makeup, and I'll be right back. But before that, I want to zoom you guys in so you can see how it looks on my skin. Actually, no. Should I powder first? Because that will be like what I'm going. Yeah, let me powder and then I'll be right back. So I'm going to zoom in. Don't mind the creases on my eyes because we're not worried about that. We're just worried about this. So you guys can see now. I'm already noticing, as usual with every single foundation ever in existence, if you can find me one that does not do this, I will send you $1 million. But anyways, the smile line's right here, this little area, that's already popping up. The sides of my nose look horrible already, and I do the same foundation routine. I put on my foundation, I set it with powder, and then I spray it and melt that powder into the skin. So if it's already looking like this, not even after 10 minutes, I'm and then my forehead wrinkles are normal. So let's zoom in and you can really see everything that's out. Alright, so let's get close here. So you can see the forehead, those wrinkles. It's not building up or caking up on them. My nose, I hope you can see this. Ugh, that already looks so bad. It hasn't even been 10 minutes. Look at that nastiness. I'm gonna have to like pat that out real bad. And then, right here, these little lines. But everything else is really pretty, I think. So that's that. And it is now 1:30. So I'm gonna go ahead and put on the rest of my makeup and I will come back. Well, actually no. I'm just gonna put on the rest of my makeup and then I'll come back later tonight and you'll see what I did. It'll be a surprise. As of right now, oh no, it's a first impression. So first impression on the nose area looks like poo-poo. So, I mean, that's already not good in my book, because if it doesn't work on my nose right away, it's just gonna, and we're gonna have to see how many times I actually like touch it up. And I'll see you guys later tonight to give you a review on it, and it'll be a second for you. Alright, so I'll see you guys later tonight. Hey guys, so this is for the foundation review. It is 11 at night and everyone is sleeping, so sorry if I'm whispering, but I just wanted to give you a quick check-in. I did not touch up any of my makeup. I didn't touch up around the nose or anything, just so I could show you guys. So we're just gonna zoom in real quick. Oh, and also my lipstick is a hot mess. I've been eating cotton candy and apparently it took on my lipstick with it, so sorry not sorry, because it was delicious. But let's zoom in real quick on my face. I'm sorry about this. As you can see, this is nasty on my nose. Yeah, that's just gross. Around here looks really dry. I've got the big wrinkles like normal right here. A lot of foundation has rubbed off my nose right here, and I haven't even been doing anything to my nose. Like, it didn't blow my nose or do anything in this area, so I don't know why that's rubbed off. And then my forehead, my forehead's not bad. I don't get oily. I don't have oily skin. So I'm never really any shinier than when I just first applied my makeup. Like, that's what it would be. So, I mean, for the first impressions of the BH Cosmetics foundation, that one I actually enjoy a lot better. Now, I could try these without setting them, which is a possibility, and maybe I could do that one day and give you guys a new update. But I normally set all my powders, even though I have dry skin, because I kind of melt the powder into the skin with some setting spray and kind of like push it in with a beauty blender. And I do that to my Hourglass Vanish Stick, and it's beautiful. It's like porcelain. So I think maybe I would have to do something different in order for these to work. I think I would have to not set it with powder and just keep it as like that luminous natural glow kind of look. So as of right now, I'm not a fan, just because this nose area looks so bad. I don't want to be, and it's already rubbed off. So, you know, I'm not the biggest fan of this right now, so maybe I will try again after not setting it. Like, I'll do another review with these and not set it and see how that works. So we'll do that, but for right now I wouldn't wear it just because it looks so bad on my skin. And I have dry skin, so just, Not happy. Sorry, you guys. But anyways, if you guys like this video, like it, give it a comment, a thumbs up. Let me know if you guys have these foundations. Let me know if you have fair skin and if you have a contour shade with these foundations that does really well. Because mine was way too warm and it was more of a bronzer. Like, I thought that was going to be a good contour color. No, it's so warm on my skin. And let me know that if there is a way that you guys use these that work better, if you set them, or maybe if you guys set them with a different powder, or if you just don't set it at all. So, anyways, so I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!